So hi guys, we are updating our loungewear and it is brought to you by Luvlette. If you're new here, you know me and Luvlette go together real bad, okay? Real bad. So this is the first set. This is a cute PJ set. I absolutely love it. I love the pink. Okay, I absolutely, very feminine, very girly, and the fit is amazing. I love the silk satiny material and I love the little white details. Can't get enough. So this is the first piece, and underneath, because Luvlette have you covered from loungewear to lingerie to panties or underwear and bras, they have you covered. So throw out the old Victoria's Secret 5 for $25 and get you some new undies and some new bras from Luvlette, because they got you no matter the size. So this is how the bra looks. I will definitely insert some close-up. It has some nice flowers on it and it has like a nice mesh detail, and I love that a lot. And I also got some seamless underwear from Luvlette, because you can't go wrong with seamless underwear. This came in a pack of 5. Make sure you get your original size and you don't size down, because I size down and these are a bit tight for me. Try on the next pieces. Next item I have is this bra. It looks absolutely amazing. I love the mesh detailing. It's giving sexy, but still covered, and it gives you great support. I will definitely put what size I got somewhere here, because I'm not quite sure. I think it's 80D. So let's get into the other pieces, because those are my fave. So this is the next outfit. The robe is from Luvlette, and the dress is absolutely amazing. It's giving sexy. Oh my god. This would be perfect for Valentine's Day. Like and I love the robe. The robe is in a nice colorful print, and I've been definitely getting into color more, so I love the colors on this robe. I also love the feel. It's super light and airy. I love these type of robe, especially since I live in Florida. And then the color of the dress is just giving. This is my favorite. If you don't get anything else, get this robe and this dress. I promise you, you're gonna feel like the best woman ever. So use my code for a percentage off on Luvlette, and I promise you, you won't regret it. So let's get into the rest of the video. So tomorrow is a full day. We're going to Miami for the weekend, so be prepared. I'm actually packing. So this is what I love, these little things. I got these from Amazon, I think. And you just fill them up with whatever you need. This is, I'm doing mouthwash right now.
Mommy.
Yes. And this is TSA.
Mommy.
Yes, Milani.
So, how is this for fun? But this is what I got.
in Ross trying to find a dress for funeral. That's what we're going to Miami for, and this is the line.
Here, mommy. Here, mommy.
All the others are too tight. So anytime it's time to dress formal or business casual or anything like that, I always have problems because I have curves. And no matter what I put on, the butt is not going anywhere. So it's just the dilemma. Everybody want a big butt until time comes. Like, yeah, for stuff like this.
Hello.
What you doing, mommy?
I want to.
He's right.
Continue for half a mile.
So hi everybody, we are officially in Fort Lauderdale and we're off to a great start. Okay, we're off to an amazing start. I don't know where to put this. So we got an Airbnb. I think we just found a gem. The last 2 times we've been to Miami, Fort Lauderdale area, we rented multiple Airbnbs because we had multiple different problems with those Airbnb. But I feel like this is going to be a recurring place that we stay. So let me walk you guys through the house. And don't mind our stuff being scattered out. I just want to show you guys. Okay. So this is the front door. So entertainment area. The couch. It looks so good in here. Then you walk in. This is the hallway. And then you go in this area and you have a bunk bed. Kind of like how our house is set up with 2 bunk beds on each side. So the kids are comfy. There's another room right here. And the nice part about this room is you can go and look outside. So there is babe, that's the pool area. Look at it, it's giving. Okay, they have a TV in here and a little seat, and then they have their own bathroom, shared bathroom. Let me turn the light on. So this is the bathroom.
We were on the boat. There's some
really?
chemicals down there.
They probably was cleaning it.
They was renovating it.
And this is the
floorboard was torn up and stuff.
master.
Sure.
And here is our bathroom. And then the kitchen. There is babe with film vlog camera. And then the table. They have a table that I want, and I just seen a similar table like this on Instagram, and I actually took a picture of it and asked where is it from. So the dining room area, amazing. They have washer and dryer. Yeah, me ready if you go eat. And then outside, I'll show you guys outside later. I'm hungry, but it's pool, boat, dock. It's giving. So good morning. Got up, ate some food. Yes, me and I same clothes because I didn't bathe last night. I bathed before I came here. Drop asleep tired. We drink some vodka. I'm not a hard alcohol girly anymore. I'm a wine babe. Drink one drink and drop out, okay? This one babe says she didn't go to bed until after 12 here. She just like get up. We have I feel like we have officially gotten to a place now where we're all about enjoying life and we're dragging our kids along. There's nothing better than going out, having fun, and coming back home and to your kids. So, yeah. We're actually here for a funeral, but we still incorporate like a fun in there. We may go to the movies later if we can get Milani to go to sleep on time. Have a look at date night. See her there. And I didn't show you guys outside, so that's what I'm gonna do now. There is mommy. So hot. Look at that, they have a little seating area. That's Milani's car seat. It's wet, it needs to be dry. More seats. I love these. And right here there is a pool. The pool is nice. I love the floor. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's blue and white. I want to do something like this for our house, but I want it to be painted first. Like seating area again, and baby's on the boat with the boys. So, and there's the airplane. I don't know if you can, but that's how it looks outside. I feel like my camera is too bright, but talk about that later. Jaden and Kai. I see baby. Yeah.
Hi, gorgeous. Chimney. We have the boat, bathroom, kitchen.
God no. This is a fit. So today is our last day here. Yesterday was funeral. You guys saw me dressed and all of that. We weren't allowed to video yesterday, so I'm happy I didn't take my camera and all of that, but we're about to get something to eat and leave here. It was a good time. It was a fun time. We drank some vodka yesterday and some things and babe knockout. But anyways, I'll see y'all later. So we got home a long time ago.
Mommy,
Hi Milani.
what are you doing?
Finishing my video.
Yeah.
So we got home a long time ago and we had some Chinese food to eat, and babe got me this necklace. It is so cute. So with that being said, I'm going to end this vlog here. I'll see you guys next week. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.